Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can edit WordPress footer in any template or theme. For example, here I have got WordPress already installed running on my localhost. Now you see I have a couple of themes here. For example, if you look here, here I have themes. For example, I have this is my active theme, it is storefront. Now let me first activate this and you see what I'm trying to mean. My internet is a bit slow.
Of course, sorry.
Okay, this is now activated. This is my activated theme. If I try to reload my page, you see that I have this Buzz Towers by themes. Now I want to remove this. You see, if you come here to customize your theme in WordPress editor, see they don't give you option to remove this. You see it is disabled. So if you want to edit it or remove it completely from your website, you can use a text editor called Sublime Text or any of your choice. You open your WordPress main folder. Now my main folder is my seed here. Now we have got a couple of PHP functions in here, but we are interested in a footer. So you have to go to WP content. In the WP content you look for themes here. Now I have my themes here. What are you trying to edit? You are trying to edit we're trying to edit Buzz Towers, right? Yeah, here, which is the active theme. Now we can locate Buzz Tower here. Now we are looking for footer. I look for footer.php. Under footer.php, you see here it is Buzz Towers by Buzz themes. Now you can remove this completely or you edit it according to what you want. Now I'm going to put this is my website for and I put my website name here as vertex. Sorry, I don't need to remove this single quote because remember this is a string. If you don't know PHP, don't worry, this is nothing. This is something cheap. Just remove, edit the text and you put what you want. Let me save and I load my page here. Don't worry, you can't mess up with your theme. Just you see here, this is my website for vertex tag. You can even change the link here, as you can see it here, or you can remove it completely. But if I'm to change, I can just only change this and I leave HTTP. I put vertextech.com. Here we go. This is our first website. This is my website for Vertex Tech. I think it's pretty cool. So let us try to go some other complex themes where the developers try to make it hard to edit that copyright in the footer section. Now I'm going to give you an example of of clean canvas. Now if I scroll through my themes you can say I have clean canvas here already installed. Can activate it first and see what will happen. It is somehow slow. Now if I read my front page, you see copyright, all rights reserved, clean canvas. Now the same thing happens to this. If you try to customize it, they don't give you option of changing the footer. As you can see, this is disabled. If I press shift and I click, this is disabled, and this is also disabled. But we can change it in Sublime Text. Just go and look for what are you trying to change? You're trying to change clean canvas, right? So just go and look for, under themes you look for clean canvas. Under clean canvas, what you have to do first, you have to look for footer.php. As you can see here, it's so different from the first one we edited. You see it is clean canvas action footer. See some weird PHP functions, but if you don't know PHP function, it's not a big deal. You just need HTML only to edit these footers. Now if you look through these commented lines, we have, for example, we have hooked clean canvas footer copyright at function 10. So this means the footer is located in hook folder or in function number 10. Now what you have to do is to look for hook folder. Now always hook folder is located in includes here. Now you look for hook folder, which is here. Now you look for custom.php. Under custom.php you can browse through and look for function 10, or you look for this name. We don't need this anymore. We want clean canvas footer. Where are you? We want this copyright clean canvas action footer, which is here. You can copy it. After copying it, you go back to includes hook and look for custom.php. You can try to find that. Now you can see, maybe I copied it wrongly. You can see clean canvas footer copyright 10. Now it means our footer is in here. Now we have to look for it and edit it. Continue. Here we are, clean canvas footer copyright. Now we are going to change clean canvas by, you see, if you go back to our website, you see clean canvas by this. Now we need to remove clean canvas and we put what we want. Don't remove %s, because %s calls for this when themes. So just put website, or you can put designed by, come and change this, only this, vertex, take, save, go back and refresh. Now unexpected clean. Okay, that means I made some mistake. I forgot to put a closing single quote there. Refresh. Designed by vertex take. You see, now we are going to remove copyright. If you want, you can leave it there. If you don't want, you can remove it. Now copyright, all rights reserved, is also here. copyright. Now we have to look for copyright text because it is populating from copyright text. Now continue looking for copyright text. Okay, what's going on? Copyright text should be in here. Okay, now what you have to do is one, you see copyright text is being populated from this function. Hover over that function and you see where it is defined. It's defined from here. It just calls for any text and it outputs it. So that means it is where I think I can find footer. Try to find footer to make it easy. Okay, here it is, copyright content. You can come here and uncomment the whole bunch of these lines. Try to refresh. Now you see copyright has gone. By following these simple steps, you can edit or remove any photo from any WordPress theme, however complex it can be. Now let me give you one last example, which is somehow different from what we have covered so far. Now let me try to activate some other thing. It's called Dyblog. Just look for Dyblog. There it is. Activate it. After activating it, refresh your page. Refresh, you see, here we are. Footer is here. Site title, this is the site title as it is reflected from here. This terms of use, and here we have the developer section. Now we are going to remove all of these. You don't want them. Now what you have to do is look for under themes. You look for Dyblog. You go to footer. Now you see there we have three functions: template, part, section, footer, widgets, which is here. We have copyright, which is here, and back to top is this. Copyright, the whole of this, and the widget is this. So we are not interested in back to top because we need it to display our menu, but we are interested in moving this footer. So you see it's showing template part. So this one showing it is located under template parts, sections, footer. Now you see copyright. So you go to footer hyphen copyright. So you go to templates, you look for sections, then you look for footer copyright. Under footer copyright we have three of them. We have title, some rights reserved. You can remove this and you put yours. For example, you can put vertex tech and you put remove this, all rights reserved. Oh, it was it save. Okay. All rights reserved. Now come to this. Now we have edited this. Now we are going to this terms of use. If you want terms of use, you can leave it. If you don't want, you can remove them. What you have to do is just comment that one out, and you have WordPress blog theme, so you can also remove that. If I'm not interested, you can remove it. Just comment it out. Try to read our page. You see, and you want this, which is what you want, vertex or rights reserved. Now you have seen how you can edit or remove footers, sections, copyrights and developer sections from any WordPress theme. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Going to fucking try.
You guys